This is about the five semi-natures of the complete, as the complete nature of value and value progression, as the gaining value of the identity onto all things at once, onto us as a semi-nature relationship to it, as our identities, and as an identity of value together in relationship to this identity of value progression. Allah being about the other names of God too at the same time. Names of the identity of existence, wherein as that there is their subject. In other words, God is a term, is a algebraic consciousness, is an algebraic term. Like algebra, we uses numbers and letters, known values with unknown values to figure out more from what we know, using correlation nature simultaneously inherent, active, and progressive means. So logic has an identity. It has an identity of relationship to itself, and it has the value of that. So the semi-natures of the complete identity of everything at once, onto everything at once, and from it, we are an expanding nature of value. The first one was a nature of value that would not and does not juxtapose with temporary space nature / lasting space nature, but one way. And then we come to the first one that is with the Trinity, where we are a Trinity in an active phase. So this is inherent. The first one is inherent. This is active. Now see, there's inherent before that. Then there's progressive, semi-nature of value expansion of it. And there's identity nature. So inherent, active, and progressive are three natures of volume, three semi-natures of logic's identity, which is also before and beyond this as value, and is also greater than and smaller than the smallest thing, but as the order to that finite. So as the might of that, greater than might and power, is the value of identity's bond unto itself, unto this nature. Excuse me. A value progression perfect.